puppet to my own mind's game, swinging high, then crashing low. Every tear's a storm I can't contain, every spark a fire out of control. I'm tired of the waves that never cease, tired of the calm that feels like chains. These raw emotions, they never bring peace, just a cycle of joy and pain. I just wanna silence the storm inside, erase the highs, the lows, the endless tide. No more tears, no more flames, just quiet the chaos and the games. I'm done with feeling, done with the fight. I just want to be numb tonight. Weary of the laughter that feels too loud, and the boredom that gnaws at my soul. I'm a prisoner to this emotional crowd, where every feeling takes its toll. I've cried rivers that drown my sleep, laughed in shadows that fade too fast. Every feeling's a wound cut deep, and I just want the storm to pass. I just wanna silence the storm inside, erase the highs, the lows, the endless tide. No more tears, no more flames, just quiet the chaos and the games. I'm done with feeling, done with the fight. I just want to be numb tonight. Let the world turn, let it all fade. I'll close my eyes, let the noise decay. I felt too much, now I'm unafraid. Just give me peace, let the darkness stay. I just wanna silence the storm inside, erase the highs, the lows, the endless tide. No more tears, no more flames, just quiet the chaos and the games. I'm done with feeling, done with the fight. I just want to be